1, 2, 3, come on!
Hello everyone, welcome back to Chandelier. Today we will do unboxing of these packages. I got this from Lazada birthday sale aside from the KitchenAid. And the other items are already open because excited silang gamitin. So most of these are my Boodle hacks are inspired by the Whole Bodies group. So if you are familiar with that group, you will also be familiar with the items that I got, such as Deerma vacuum cleaners and other stuff. Let's go and unbox these items. We'll go first with this one. So this is the Dirma portable steam ironing machine. This is very portable, very cute. You can bring anywhere because it's inside this cage or this case, and it's already, ayan, very cute. Actually, dati ko pa gusto bumili ng mga steam iron, but most of them are very expensive and spacious because, you know, there's a stand and then there is a pole there and you have to hang the clothes here and then you can do the steaming. But with Dirma, you can see it's very portable, very small, very sleek, and foldable. So you will just do steaming right with your clothes like that. And it's very easy to maintain and to store because it has its own case. It comes with a brush, and this one. I will also post another video for the full review of this steaming iron from Dirma. Next item. Here. This item is one of I am most excited about na ma-receive because it's some kind of looks like a toy, and I consider this a helpful toy because it is a smart robot, vacuum robot. So it's just a small one that you can just allow to wipe your floor without taking your time to wipe the floor manually or to vacuum your floor manually. Super excited ako to receive this one. Yan. And because I am Team Puti and Team Kahoy, I bought the white color one. This is very small lang, and I saw some good reviews about this one. Yan. Light lang, super light lang siya. Then there's the wheel here, the sensor. Yan. I will also post another video for the review of this vacuum cleaning robot. Our next item is another Dirma vacuum cleaner, but this one is Dirma Dust Mite vacuum cleaner. So it usually used in bed, sofa, what else? In pillows, because it can do the dusting and killing of mites to enjoy a better sleep now. And then it is an ultraviolet ray mite that can clean mite. The ultraviolet ray clean mite technology cooperate with the large suction deep penetrate to kill mite bug on your bed. Keep your bed clean and comfortable. So sa mga nakikita kong reviews, ang dami talagang, alam mo yun, yung tipong akala mo ang linis ng bed mo, akala mo ang linis ng sofa mo kasi on the surface you can see it really clean, but underneath you cannot see how much dirt and dust it already consumed throughout the years because we cannot see that. So by then we should be so sigurista, lalo na kapag may mga kids kayo or meron kayong mga allergic rhinitis, because you have to ensure that even though you cannot see by your naked eye, there is no dust, there is no mites, there is no any other harmful particles that can trigger your asthma or your allergic rhinitis. So this is a very good cleaning material for your home. Ayan. It looks like this. Excited talaga akong bumili nito kasi nakikita ko yung mga reviews sa groups and dun sa Lazada as well that it really worked well in cleaning your bed and your sofa. I will also post another video for the review of this one. Okay, ito naman. Again, this is a Dirma vacuum. So, masyado nang nabudol ni Dirma. Masyado nang na-addict sa Dirma brand. But I really read a lot of good reviews about this product. Kasi I'm really not fan of yung low cost na mga items kasi I have this mindsetting na kapag mura, madaling nasira or low quality. But sa dami nang nakita kong reviews about this product, and usually sold out siya sa Lazada, sa Shopee, ganyan, sa official store ng Deerma. That means this product really works well. So, I also have to try it myself. No? Tapos, I will post a review on how I find it, how it helped me. Mas maganda pa rin na we can try it ourselves. Not lang dun sa by testimony. So, let's see. I already have a vacuum at home, but yung handheld siya. And medyo totoong tamad akong mag-vacuum. Lalo na kasi maingay. But sabi sa reviews, ito daw vacuum na to less noise siya. And ang favorite ko dito, wireless kasi yung nakuha ko. Model. Yeah. Even if you don't plug it, walang wire na susunod sa'yo while you are cleaning or moving around the house. Dito pa naman sa living room namin, medyo malawak yung area. So, kung hindi mahaba yung extension mo or yung cord mo, then tatamarin ka na rin abutin yung mga ibang area para i-vacuum siya. Cleaning brush. Another cleaning brush. Manual, of course. And this is the machinery. Ayan, handheld lang siya. So, parang robot din, no? So, this is where you mount the different brushes. And we also have here, of course, yan. Ito yung handle. Ito yung handle niya. Hindi ko pa siya ma-assemble right now, but again, I will post another review on how to assemble this and how to use that, and review on if it worked well and if this is worth the price. And this is the charging. Okay. Let's move. Well, this is a box na lang kasi ginamit na ni Mami. Ito ay map na square. Super mura lang itong mga nakuha ko, and I will post also the price and map siya. Sleek and light. Tapos, sleek lang din yung pinaka-pale niya na paglilid. Tapos, I also got a magic hose. This is parang cloth-like. Tapos, super haba niya. Tapos, mura lang to. Ayan yung price niya. Ang haba niya, oh. Tapos, expandable pa siya. Para siyang garter. And this is the first time I saw this. Sobrang mura niya. Parang, ano lang din ako nag-risk. Okay lang yan, kung pangit man, okay lang kasi mura naman. But this one, very good yung quality niya. Yung hose niya, parang heavy duty, hindi siya basta-bastang nasisira. Not like what I've expected. And this one, rubberized and expandable. Tapos, super long. Para sa price niya, mura to ha. Kasi magkano yung bili namin dun sa traditional hose. This one is a good buy as well. Ito naman, this is a spotlight. So, ito siya. Yan. So, kung meron kayong mga blank wall and you want to emphasize something like paintings or portrait, pwede rin to sa ilalim ng television set mo or sa restroom or sa room mo, ganyan. Yan siya. Spotlight. So, this is movable and then you can like install like that. Tapos, ito rin yung mga headlight. Yan, movable din siya. So, if you want to focus on one part, ganyan. Tapos, or dito or magkakaiba sila sa ceiling. Tapos, included na rin yung mga bulb, ganyan. Replaceable naman siya, kaya hindi ito disposable. So, kapag worn out na yung mga bulb or nawala na yung light niya, then pwede kang mag-replace ng another bulb from the hardware. I want to buy things personally para nakikita ko yung quality, na-check ko mabuti. But so far, sa dami nito, okay naman siya. Okay naman yung mga nakuha. Not unless during yung testing period, may problem. Sana wala. So, this one naman, a poop tray naman to ng aming little dog. So, para siyang, dito na siya pwedeng mag-wee-wee, mag-pee, ganyan. Yan lang. This is some kind of 200 plus lang. Another cleaning material, as I said, this is another mop. At yung ano naman siya, yung may umiikot na pail or yung washing mechanism. Alam mo, ang mura kasi nito, parang mga, ito yung price. Yan. Pero kasi, binili ko sa mall, yung mga ganito namin, nasa 1,000 plus. Kaya sobrang strange to for me, na ganito lang yung presyo niya sa Lazada. Ito yung ano, yung pang washing mechanism ng mop. Yan. Tapos meron na siyang kasama ito sa mop. Ito, replacement to. Tapos, ito yung handheld na paglulutuin. Well, i-assemble lang siya. Tapos, meron siyang drainer dito. Super mura nito, promise. Kasi 1,000 plus talaga siya sa mall. Mukha namang same lang yung quality. And, syempre, eventually, pag cleaning materials, from time to time naman talaga, we replenish our things at home kasi kailangan mo rin talaga magpalit. Sobrang mura. This one I will not open. It looks like this. Yan. Kasi, this is my gift for my Beshi Wap na nag-rebuild ngayon ng kanyang new home. Shout out, AJ, Besh. So, this is your dining chandelier. This is my gift for him sa kanyang bagong bahay. Siyempre, hindi ko ipopost yung price, yung picture lang. Kasi gift. So, I will not open that. Well, this one, hindi siya from Lazada, but until now, hindi ko pa siya na-unbox. This is mga 2 months old na sa akin from Australia, sa kabutiang loob ni Ate Tonet. Ayan, hindi ko pa siya na-open, but hopefully, magamit ko na siya para makagawa rin ako ng review for the KitchenAid. So, kung meron kayong mga family or mga friends outside the country, sa mas maraming mura or sale na KitchenAid sa kanila, then papadala na lang dito. Mura pa rin, kaysa dito sa Philippines. Tapos, ayun na. So far, I'm done with the unboxing. This is very quick lang. Parang a glimpse of what I got from the Lazada birthday sale. And I will try each of them. And I will try to give a review. And I hope I'll be happy with it. I'm very much excited. So, thank you for joining me unbox these things. I hope to see you soon. Watch me on my other videos. Anything under the sun like travel, music, lifestyle, food, cooking, and discovering new things. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned with Sassy's L.